I'm Nick Criscione. I work for National Coatings and Supplies, and my job title is Director of Continuous Improvement. We have about 187 locations across the U.S., and we sell coatings, paint, to all different industries. As Director of Continuous Improvement, we are basically therapists, right? We listen to everyone's problems and we have to diagnose it, and what happens is the people that are in those functional departments, they see their little piece of the problem, but they don't know how those pieces of the problem connect with all the different functional departments. So we break down those silos and provide solutions for them. You know, we've tried everything. We've tried Google Sheets and all the Google suite of applications. We've tried Smartsheet, we've tried FormSite, we've tried SurveyMonkey, we've tried everything out there, and we've pushed it all to its limits. Finally, it came down to we needed something that worked. So we did some searching and looking for different solutions, and we came across Caspio. Our mindset going into the whole thing was really let's provide the people that matter and the boots on the ground that are fighting in the battle day in and day out. Let's get them what they need to see so that they can do the job that they have to do more effectively. The beauty in the no-code platform, such as Caspio, is that you have a business person that understands the process, and you have an IT group that understands the IT, and it really bridges that gap to show you that the people that are doing the process now have the ability to go out and build those IT solutions that they never really had the ability to do previously. And I think that was the biggest thing coming out of using Caspio, was being able to bridge that gap of the person who does the process day in and day out can now build those applications to make their job easier rather than having to go through IT or anything else. The relationship that we've built with Caspio has been what we strive to give our customers, and it's really being a partner in your business rather than just a source of a product. Anyone could go to a place and drop off a can of paint or a 5-gallon bucket of paint, but it's different when you step into that customer's business and help them grow to make more money, or you really become a partner in their business. And that's really what Caspio has provided to us is, we get to a specific place that we get stuck, and there's always someone there to help and give us a solution for that question.